Alrighty, welcome to the channel, built by Birdman. I'm Raven, and these are my Celicas. Now, these Celicas do cop a bit of hate. They're ugly, they're reliable, and they're just not worth the time, but they're cheap, they're rev happy, manual, lightweight, and good handling. And what more could you want for that sort of price range? Anyway, we'll get into it. So let's start with this one. 2001 silver Celica. 6-speed manual, 2ZZ. When I bought it, supposedly it did come with a new engine. It's got 361,000 Ks. Does have a backyard paint job. Aftermarket diffuser, aftermarket headlights, short shifter kit. The synchros in this are pretty... How you going? Interior has had a dodgy paint job. Someone's just rattle canned it black. Aftermarket wheels, max speed and coilovers. Aftermarket sunroof that someone's put in, unfortunately. Cold air intake, which is probably doing more harm than good. And some are random electrical bits, you know, King's heads up, speedometer, sub, which was just put in dodgily. But considering I got this car registered for 2,500, it still presents really well. A car that revs to 8,500 RPM with 190 horsepower, you can't really go wrong. Now, back here, we do have my blue Celica. This is a 1999 Celica. So the first year that the 7th generations came out. Now, it does have factory suspension, factory wheels, so it does sort of sit like a monster truck. We've got the good old Bluetooth FAM transmitter. The gearbox in this one is actually pretty good, but the engine's leaking oil. It's got a weird starting issue where sometimes it just doesn't want to start. And the battery and handbrake light stays on until I floor it, which who knows what that is. I have had it taken to Autobarn, got a battery test, a starter motor test, and an alternator test. And when I did the test, everything was really good. So that will be a fun thing to fix up. Now, the interior is a bit worse for wear, but between the two cars, plan is to either build one clean one using all the parts. So either engine swap or transmission swap into one of them, and then get all the nice bits of interior, put it into one, and then do the other one up. Whether I flip the other one or do it up as well, we'll find out what my financial situation is, whether I am able to do that or not, whether I sell one to finance the other one. Also on this channel, we will be working on these cars, and if I get some other cars along the way and some of my mates want to come do bits and pieces, we can do that as well. But I'll also be doing progress on this house. So this is also my house. We are going to be doing we are in the middle of renovations, so we can play around with that, and I'll give you a tour now. This is the laundry. It is a little bit worse for wear. We have had some electrical work done in here, so we've got downlights throughout the whole house. The bathroom has been fully tiled. We've also stripped out the walls in here to redo the plastering and most likely redo the weatherboards, and we have replaced the windows. We'll go down through the hallway. We have got the smallest bedroom in here. I have done a fireplace delete. We've got my back door there. Kitchen actually does look pretty good. It's not too bad. And we have also replaced the front door in here as well. We'll come back outside. There is a nice little hole in the laundry. So we do have a shopping trolley, which I found on the street. It could be useful, but we've got a massive backyard. We have got a little garden shed, so plenty of project cars to store here. We did relocate the hot water cylinder outside. We've got the front yard through here as well, which does look pretty good, really. Does need a bit of work. I have started painting down there, but yeah, it is getting there slowly. But for now, we'll play around with the cars, and that'll sort of be on the back burner if you guys are interested in that sort of thing. Now, after this little introduction video, the first video will most likely be me stripping the interior out of both of these cars, wet vacuuming it, steam cleaning it, cleaning all the inside out, and, you know, swapping bits and pieces around to make one really good interior and one really bad interior. After that, we'll probably be detailing the outside of the car. We're just doing this sort of stuff first because I don't have much money right now. So if I can do the cleaning side of things first, get everything looking pretty, and then later on we can focus on servicing, fixing up the issues like the oil leak. And this one has an issue with the belt, the alternator belt, I think. And then after the maintenance side of things are done, we will go into the modification side of things. And who knows where we go from there. This video, I did use a script. I just wanted to get all the right information out there. I generally don't want to use scripts. I want it to be raw and authentic, but I just wanted to get all the right information straight off the bat, because soon as I start recording, I pretty much forget everything I'm going to say. It is very weird. It's very awkward because I'm literally just sitting here talking to myself. So I'm currently filming on a Pocket 3. I do have the Action 5 DJI camera. I've also got a 360 camera, so we can do some cinematic things, which I have done a little bit with my mate's Golf R, which I will try to put in here, just a little preview of it. That was just me testing out the camera. We got the X360 camera, which I can do a little third person point of view stuff with it as well. And yeah, so most of these videos aren't going to be overly edited. That's not really my sort of thing. I would like to be able to film a video, edit it within one day and post it. If I do focus heaps of things on editing, it's sort of, I don't want to make, you know, a Marvel movie and spend hours and hours editing and doing animation and stuff. I just want to be real with you guys. And yeah, it should be fun. So it's pretty much just going to be me playing around. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a builder. I will have help from other people. They will come down. If they want to work on their cars here, they can. If they want to help me, they can. The other thing is I'll probably be rebuilding the gearbox. Now I'm just blabbering on. Let's see if I missed anything. If you like the no book raw videos of me just building something from the ground up with no experience, there's going to be a lot of mistakes. I'm probably going to break it more than I am going to fix it, but I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a builder. So it will be pretty interesting. It'll be funny. It'll be fun. Yeah. So if you do like that sort of stuff, subscribe and drop a comment. If you have any suggestions, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.